Hi, welcome to my workshop on finding success with handler scent discrimination. I've always been fascinated by a dog's ability to track scent, to indicate scent. So we're going to go over some of the key principles of teaching handler scent. Number one is a dog needs to use their nose, and that is usually the number one problem. This is just an example of the final intro to scent, like where I'd like everybody to be at the end of the week. Introducing your dog to your scents. Select your type of article: cotton, leather, wood, or metal. Here's lesson 2 with discrimination. That's the name of the game. Approach it as a distraction in a sense, a novel odor that we proof against. With your formal scent article item, it's not about the item, it's about the odor. Teach your dogs to find the odor, and they won't just go in there and grab anything. Really observe your dog. We're so quick to want to feed them that we're just waiting for them to get to that right one.